Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make two of my favorite go-to fried rice recipes. One is going to be a sweet green pea fried rice, and the other is going to be a spicy, salty, and savory kimchi fried rice. You're going to want to chop roughly about 4 green onions and 1 small onion. Now you want to finely mince up 5 to 10 cloves of garlic, depending on how much you want. Chop up 1 red pepper and make sure to take out the seeds. I'm going to use 1 whole spam, half for the kimchi fried rice and half for the sweet pea fried rice. And you want to chop them into little squares. So first I'm making the green pea fried rice. I used half of the green onions we chopped earlier and fried them in oil. Now I'm taking all the onion we cut up and stir frying for about 3 minutes. Next, I put half the spam and stir fried about 2 minutes. Next, I put about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic in and fried about 30 seconds. Now I'm putting about 1 cup of defrosted green peas and stir frying for about 2 minutes. I didn't have fresh ginger, so I put about half of a teaspoon of ginger powder and stir fried for about 1 minute. And I put 3 to 4 cups of day-old rice and mixed it in. I put about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in. I put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and I also put as much black pepper as I wanted. Then I added 1 tablespoon of sugar. I pushed off all the rice to the side and I cracked in 2 eggs. About 1 minute before I turn the heat off, I put the red peppers in. And next is the kimchi fried rice, aka kimchi bokkeumbap. I cut up about 1.5 cups of sour fermented kimchi. Now I'm going to stir fry the kimchi in oil for about 3 minutes. I forgot to do this step before I stir fried the kimchi, but you want to stir fry the green onion in oil for about 2 minutes before stir frying the kimchi. add the remaining spam in and stir fry for about 3 minutes. I added about 1 tablespoon of sugar in to reduce the sourness of my kimchi. And then I added about 3 cups of day-old rice and mixed. Next, I added 1 teaspoon of salt. I cooked up fried eggs to put on top. And this is the finished product. These are the only 2 fried rice recipes you'll ever need in your life because they are so flavorful, filling, simple, and delicious. Thanks again so much for watching, and I really hope you try out these recipes. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, turn on your notification bell, and like this video.